Carbonada Criolla. Veal and vegetable stew. A main dish from Argentina. Serves
You will need
15 ingredients. Step 1. Brown the onion and garlic in the oil and butter. Cut the meat into squares and add to the pan. Brown well. Step 2. Incorporate the tomatoes, seasonings, carrots, and beef broth to cover the ingredients. Step 3. Cook 15 minutes and add the rest of the vegetables. Cook until the vegetables are half done, then add the rice and the peaches. Step 4. Continue cooking until everything is done. Step 5. Serve sprinkled with parsley or basil. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.